Hello everyone, here is a question based on atomic structure. What is the relative radius of second orbit of uranium-91 plus to that of the relative radius of third orbit of polonium-83 plus is? Both uranium-91 plus as well as polonium-83 plus contains only one electron, therefore they fit into hydrogen-like atoms, which means we can use the Bohr's atomic model to calculate the radius. The radius for the nth stationary state as per Bohr's model is equal to A0 times n square divided by z. N is the value of the stationary state or the orbit. For uranium-91 plus it is mentioned as second orbit, so therefore n value is equal to 2 here. For polonium-83 plus it is mentioned as third orbit, therefore n value is equal to 3 here, and z is the atomic number. Even if you don't remember the atomic number of uranium as well as polonium, you can calculate it based on the charge given. Remember, in a neutral element, the number of protons must be equal to the number of electrons. So this means when we can put 91 plus as the charge, if we remove 91 electrons, then only you can put 91 plus as the charge. So we have one more electron, which means the total number of electrons is 92 electrons in the neutral system. This is equal to atomic number, isn't it? So therefore Z value for uranium is 92 and Z value for polonium is 84 because the charge is mentioned as 83 plus. So let's calculate the radius. R2 in the case of uranium-91 plus is equal to A0 times n square, so 2 square, that is 4, divided by 92. Let's keep A0 as A0. R3 for polonium-83 plus is equal to A0 times 3 square, 9, divided by 84. We need to figure out R2 divided by R3 to find out the ratio. So therefore this is equal to A0 times 4 divided by 92 times, we have to reverse the other one, 84 divided by A0 times 9. A0 is common, we can cancel that. This one we can divide by 4, so 1 times 4, and 92 is 23 times 4, and this whole term we can divide by 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, and 84 is 2 times remaining 2, 24, 8 times 3 is 24, so therefore 28. Therefore this is equal to 28 divided by 23 times 3, that is 69. So 28 divided by 69. So therefore 28 is to 69. That is the correct answer. This means option 1 is correct.